Come test drive the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.